At Scout, we defined an AI readiness program in 2018. So the goal is to educate everyone to know about artificial intelligence and to make everyone in Scout ready to build cool AI tools. And one part of the AI readiness program is to run workshops where we identify new use cases. This we did in the last 2 weeks with the Alexander Thamm GmbH from Munich.
So we had actually 7 workshops in Munich and Berlin with over 90 people participating in it. You really felt walking into the room always a great excitement and a really good spirit. I mean, looking onto the amount of ideas we have now, it's over 1,000 ideas. That's massive. It's really great, and also seeing that people really want to make the next step and want to make these ideas happen.
Within just 6 minutes we were able to have 200 ideas that we presented afterwards, and out of this, which I think is the even more impressive number, we built 16 clusters and use case clusters, and I really like the engagement of all the people in there, plus their level of interest and their level of enthusiasm. And afterwards, many of them actually, the feedback around, many of them said that they want to still learn more about AI and wanted to stay on the topic, and I think that overall it was a huge success.
What I found most astonishing and greatest actually was that there was really a thirst for knowledge. So really people wanted to get to know more about AI, wanted to get to know more about the technical background, wanted to get to know more about other examples in the market. And I mean, this like, hey, give me more is really a great attitude, which gives us an extremely good fundament on going forward now and making the next great steps happen.
We have such a great participation of all the people. I think we had more than 100 Scouties collaboratively adding ideas and use cases for AI.
I think besides the icebreaker games that were pretty fun and kept us energized, I really like the part of listening to other people's opinions, ideas about different ways to improve the current product that we have through AI. It was really good to learn from others.
Thinking a little bit out of the box, it was something very much helpful for us actually till now, yes.
What I would really like to say is a big thank you to all the participants who came, who really gave their input. It's really valuable, I think, for Scout and for us as well.
It was not only a cross-team exchange, but it was also a cross-vertical exchange in a way that really people came up with ideas which went over Immo Scout or over Auto Scout or over consumer services only, but very often were really one Scout ideas, which is really a good step into a great direction too.
And we're really looking forward to create more business value out of that in 2019 and to start the first AI initiatives in 2019.